In this video, I'm going to tell you the top winning products that you can sell in June 2022. What's up, Rosh? Welcome back to another video, and not just another video, it is the most awaited video of this channel, and I love you guys for that, and thank you so much for the support. In this video, I'll cover everything about the winning product, like why I chose the product, the AliExpress link, the competitor's website, what you can learn from their mistakes, the selling price, the profit margin, the interest to target, the budget you can set out to test this product, and a lot more. I'll provide you with the Google Doc sheet for these winning products as soon as this video hits 200 likes, which looks something like this and has all the information about the winning products that I'm going to discuss in this video. So make sure you hit that like button, or you can just do it as a gesture of appreciation, because these kind of videos do really take a good amount of time and effort. And also consider hitting the subscribe button. Now let's get straight into the video. Winning product number one is this color changing shorts. As it is clear from its name, it is a type of shorts that changes color when you spill water on it. For example, you can see some of these pictures where it changes color from yellow to orange, green to blue, and pink to purple. Now let's see the TikTok video ad.
After 237 prototypes and dropping out of Harvard, my color-changing swim shorts are finally ready. Make sure to get a pair for the summer before the sale ends.
Overall, a good video because it explains very well what does the product actually do and why you should buy it. And moreover, the computerized female voice is good because these kind of videos really have good chances to get viral on TikTok. And if we see the TikTok ads analytics for this product, it has more than 30,000 impressions, which is really great, and these are within some days. And if we see the like ratio as well, it is 3% plus, which is really great because N ratio about 2% is really amazing for TikTok ads. Moreover, it also has a good number of comments and shares, which is a good indication as well. Now let's move on to see the AliExpress analytics for the product. So if we see the number of orders, it has over 200 orders with 14 reviews with an average rating of 4.4 stars out of 5, which is good and shows that this product has the ability to become a really great winning product. And if you see the reviews in detail, they are from all over the world, like Saudi Arabia, Israel, Syria, Mexico, Spain, France, and Chile. So you can sell it anywhere you want. Now let's see the competitor's website and what are the things that you can improve in your website to beat your competition. So first of all, if we see the first impression, we see its logo, which is Motemco something, and its name that is color changing swim trunks. Summer sale, which is good. Then we see the announcement bar, which is summer sale, hurry up, which is obvious. Then we see a picture of product special, this yellow one, bright color. Then we see the color options for the product. Then we see the size options. We'll talk about the price later while analyzing the profit margin. Then we see this add to cart button, quantity button, then buy with PayPal, more payment options, and the frequently bought together options, which helps them to increase the average order value. Then there is this guaranteed safe checkout option. If you are not satisfied within 60 days, you can return it for free, fast refund, and all that stuff. Free shipping 7 days, stand out this summer with unique shots no one has seen before, and a short gift type video. Then some description of the product, the color changing swim trunks react to different water temperature, and all that stuff. That changes color based on water temperature. You will never have the same shorts on, and unique always, changing thousands of colors, high quality, and all the stuff. Customers have to say. That means that there is a small testimonial section. Then there is a frequently asked questions, which is good. Then we see loved by 10,000 plus happy customers. Join them, some specifications, material, color, product size, product weight, and all that. Guarantee short worldwide shipping, money back guarantee, 24/7 customer support, safe and secure checkout. And you may also again, they are trying to increase the average order value. Then we have this review section where there is only one review, so they must have more reviews. And yeah, that's pretty much everything in their website. Now let's see the things that you can improve in your website. First of all, please provide more pictures and videos, some better description with some more videos, because no one likes to read text. Then try to make your website look more professional, because they are having all the content on one side and the other side is just looking empty. Though I don't know if it will look better in the mobile view, but yeah, some people also use the computers, so you should also take care of that. And the most important thing, please take care of the review section, because that is the part where customers will see if they can trust you or not. Make sure you provide a lot of reviews, and not only the text but the picture reviews, and have some authorized names of the customers. Now let's move to the most important part of winning product, which is the profit margin. So if you see the product on AliExpress, the cost of the product is $8.11, and if you see the selling price of the product, it would be nearly $25. So you can get a profit margin of about $16 to $17, which is good. The budget that you can use to test the product is $200 to $250. And finally, the interest or keywords that you can target for the product are shorts, color changing shorts, swim trunks, and color changing trunks. Before moving to winning product number 2, I would like to tell you about this amazing winning product research tool, which is PiPiAds. It is literally the best tool that you can use to find the winning products within minutes. It is the latest and the most efficient website. You can customize the search according to your own needs. As you can see on my screen, I use a lot of filters to find my winning products according to my need and my niche. And it gives me thousands of winning products, among which I can choose the best one that will work for me. And this is my favorite product search tool nowadays, and if you want to use this, I'll leave the link to this in the description, through which you can get a flat 20% discount. As you are my viewer, you just need to click on the link in the description, go to the website, sign up for free, and use the code DD20 to avail the discount. Now let's see our winning product number 2, which is this LED note board. So it is a transparent note board that has LED color in it and is available in 7 different colors, among which you can switch anytime. It is just like whiteboard on which you can write anything and erase it later. Now let's see the video ad.
I wanted to spice things up with my boyfriend. Hope he'll respond. Oh.
So it is a different kind of video ad that we are used to see, but yeah, it is creative and it is working as well. As we can see, it's analytics. It has got over 4,000 impressions in one day and has a like ratio of over 5%, which is really amazing in TikTok ads. Moreover, if you see the number of likes and shares, they are decent as well. So after seeing the TikTok video ad analytics for the product, now let's move on to the AliExpress analytics. So it has 200 orders on AliExpress, which is good. Not that much high, but not that much low either. And seeing the reviews, it has a total 23 reviews with an average rating of 4.4 stars out of 5, which is good as well. And if you see the reviews in detail, most of the reviews are from the USA and Brazil and some other countries as well. OMG, Estonia as well. It is a very small country in Europe and I absolutely love it. Really beautiful. Okay, so the quality of the product seems to be pretty decent and we can rely on, but if you can find a different USA based supplier, that would be really amazing, because it will decrease the time for shipping, and people tend to believe USA products more than Chinese. So that's obvious as well. Now let's see the competitor's website for this product. Oops, it seems like the link is broken and we cannot visit the store. That's strange. Okay, anyways, let's move to the most important part of the winning product, which is the profit margin. So the cost of the product is $10.46 and the selling price is $30, so we can get a good profit margin of about $20, which is really great. And if I talk about the budget that you can use to test out this product, it would be between $250 to $300, because the profit margin on the product is decent. You can use 5 different ad creatives with $40 budget each and double down on the one that is working once you have the required data. Now finally, the keywords that you could target for this product are transparent board, note board, LED note board, and glass note board. Winning product number 3 is the nippy cover. Now, as it is clear from its name, it is the plastic cover that is used to cover your nippies, and obviously it is especially for girls. Okay, so now let's play the video ad. Again, a good video ad that explains everything about the product and how to use it. Now if you see the TikTok ad analytics, it has nearly 80,000 ad impressions, which is really amazing, and this is within 7 days. If you see the like ratio, it is 3.5%, which is as always good because it is about 2%. And if you see the comments and the shares as well, they are also, and shows that people are engaging with the video. If you see the AliExpress analytics for this product, it has nearly 10,000 orders, which is absolutely insane, and it has more than 2,000 reviews with an average rating of 4.8 stars out of 5 stars, and shows that the product has already been a winning product. And if you see the reviews in detail, most of the reviews are from the USA, so make sure you target USA for this product because it is going to sell like crazy. If you advertise it in the right way and use the right video ad creatives, you can sell a lot of them. Now let's see and analyze the competitor's website. So first of all, we see the pictures of the product. Then we have the title name, which is nippy cover, which is obvious. I really like the color scheme of this website because they are simply using 3 colors: black text, white background, and one main bright color, which is a pink. And which is pink in their case. They are using pink as the main theme color, which fits the best as well because it is a women's product. So make sure you also use this same type of color combination. Moving forward, there is an add to cart button. Then we have the color options for the product. Then we have some description. We have final restocked and all that. Then there are some pictures and more pictures of the product with some description. Then there is the small video that shows how to use the product. Then we have the reviews section, which is really amazing because they are using real looking pictures of women wearing them, and the reviews are also great. I was prompted to write this review because I just found one of my nippy covers that I had accidentally recently sent to the laundry and the adhesive blah blah blah. So yeah, reviews are good. And after the reviews, there is a you may also like, and yeah, that's it, all the website. Now let's see what are the things that you can improve in your website. So first of all the description is very short, so you can add a lot of pictures and videos to describe the product better. Then in the review section, their review section is really good, but they only have pictures and text, so you can add some videos to make it better. Other than that, you can also include a quantity discount. That means if someone buys more than 2 or 3 or 4, they will get some good discount. Now let's discuss the most important part, which is the profit margin. So if you talk about the total cost of the product, including the shipping charges, for 2 nippy covers is nearly $4, and you can sell it for around $22. So you can get a good profit margin of about $18 per 2 nippy covers sold, which is good. The keywords that you can target for this product are nippy cover, plastic nippy cover, soft nippy cover, and reusable nippy cover. And finally, the budget that you can use to test out this product is between $200 to $250. If you are watching the video so far, that means the content have been very useful and helpful for you. So do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.